Hi guys, my name is Waqas. Today learn how to make money on Facebook easy step by step user guide. So let's get started. You may not think of Facebook as new and anymore, but you cannot deny its popularity. There are more than 2 billion monthly active Facebook users with 1.37 billion active using the social network every day. It is no surprise, therefore, that many people and business try to earn money from Facebook. It can be challenging though to make money on Facebook because of Facebook's sheer size. It can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. This is particularly the case now that Facebook only shows a selection of posts is a person's feed. In fact, it is problems that the status your loving craft and upload to your business page will reach no more than 2% of your following. Every time somebody opens their Facebook feeds, the Facebook goes through four steps to decide which post it will show that person's. Point 1. Inventory. Inventory Inventory means all of the recent status shared by the person's friends and the page followers. Point 2. Signals. It then takes a look at the whole range of signals, include who made the post of the average time spent on content post, engage, tagging and comments, how informative the post is and many other signals. A significant signal from a money making point of view is that the weight status from the people as being more important than post from page. Point 3. Score. The generator a revalue score for each post based on the signals. Total 3 points of major effects on Facebook. Grip and thank you for watching my video.